Welcome to my YouTube channel. I'm Michael, and I'm really glad you're here. This channel is built around a complete learning journey called Building Lasting Wealth through strategic real estate investing and tax-advantaged retirement strategies, where I'll walk you step by step through practical methods I believe can help everyday investors create long-term financial growth. We'll start with Chapter 1 by exploring vacant lots, one of the most overlooked and beginner-friendly entry points into real estate investing, and how land in growing areas can quietly build value over time. From there, we'll move into Chapter 2, where I'll introduce self-directed IRA and 401k strategies and how retirement accounts can be used differently to invest beyond traditional stocks and mutual funds. In Chapter 3, we'll talk about land flipping and how investors identify opportunities, structure deals, and create momentum with smart decisions. Then in Chapter 4, we'll go deeper into real estate investing through IRA and 401k structures and how these tax-advantaged strategies can support long-term wealth building. And finally, we'll explore private lending, a powerful approach that allows investors to participate in real estate opportunities while generating returns in a more passive way. My goal with this channel is to make these strategies clear, practical, and accessible so you can understand how they connect together into a long-term wealth-building plan. If you're interested in learning how strategic real estate investing and retirement planning can work side by side to create lasting financial strength, you're in the right place, and I'm excited to have you here on this journey.